Okay, everyone, I'm going to put this out there in case someone else runs into the same issue that I did. Alright, I ordered this generator back in November of 2020. I received it a few days ago. It's mid-February of 2021 now. After a couple days of installing it, it came time to run the generator. Alright, I come to the auto switch. Would hit auto if the main breaker here was on. It would, although you had utility power, for some reason the generator would automatically crank. It would send power to the transfer switch, drop the transfer switch from pole power to generator power. I contacted Generac. Generac explained to me and told me that it had to be these three wires here between T1, M1, N2. I actually reran another complete set of wires, and that was not the issue. So I started tracking everything down and noticed in behind this main breaker right here, there's two yellow wires in behind there. This furthest wire right here was actually disconnected. Don't know if it was disconnected at Generac during shipping or during installation or whatnot. So placed the wire back on, tried everything. Now everything seems to be like it's supposed to be. So I'm just putting that out there in case someone runs into the same issue that I ran into. Y'all have a nice day.